Hello everyone, welcome to this VHF UHF channel, and this is a video. We're going to try to get slow scan television pictures that are transmitted from the International Space Station. Special event going on for December the 6th, 7th, 8th, so you might want to try it out. So the International Space Station is that circle here, right smack in the middle. Montreal's over here. It's just rising above the horizon right now. And I have my receiver tuned. So the nominal frequency for the International Space Station SSTV, or slow scan TV, 145.800, but there's Doppler shift, so it goes up and down that frequency. I got my Icom IC R-8500 on the frequency. It's plugged into a external vertical antenna. And to decode, I am using a piece of software called MMSSTV. And hopefully we will get some slow scan television coming to this radio and decoded in this window here and here at the same time, but here I've made the window bigger so you guys can see. So from time to time there's some amateur radio experiments aboard the International Space Station. This one sending out some commemorative SSTV, and it's always fun to try to decode and try to see what we can hear. So the mode used by the International Space Station is something like PD120 or something like that. One of the slow scan TV modes. MMSSTV is cool because you just leave it at auto and it will select its mode automatically depending on the signal received. So we're waiting to see if we can receive anything. I heard the last pass, but it was too noisy for a really clear picture. What I'm a little scared here is that this pass might have turned off the radio, which would be sad. There's a 3-minute off time in between sending the pictures. So, oh, starting to make it. That's what you hear. Now, hopefully, we'll be able to hear some full picture, because one of the biggest problems with these passes is the fact that the picture can actually be received in a, just half a picture, for example, depending on the pass. So it's getting clearer here. So here it's a little noisy, but we're decoding some images. So it's not far from the beginning of the picture here. So let's hope that it's not too noisy. We got some really deep fades here. So here we go. That was only about 75% of the picture, because when the signal got in, it actually dropped off. And now there's going to be a 3-minute off time. And let's cross our fingers that maybe I can get a decode off of the next picture, because I think it could be really, really nice. So this is the first one. Only 3/4 of it is here. So let's put it back in automatic mode. Let's put that screen back here. It should technically detect and start by itself. So the International Space Station, you have to know when it's actually crossing over your area when you do this. So I use Orbitron. You can use, if you have an Android phone, there's Heavens Above app that is free that will let you know where the International Space Station is at any moment. So you can use that, Heavens Above on Android. You can use, there are some satellite tracking apps for iOS, for iPhones and iPads also. And on Windows, Orbitron, you can go on the web at N2YO, Nancy2 Yankee Oscar.com, I believe. And this will actually also give you the tracking information. You just need to set your own position. So right now, the International Space Station passing just north of Montreal right here. And hopefully, we're going to have a real good signal for the restart of the slow scan TV. That would be very nice to have a clear, beautiful picture. And remember that there's Doppler shift, so the frequency for the International Space Station is 145,800. But when it arrives, because it moves fast, it'll be around 145,805. And here we go. Really nice. Let's hope that this will hold up. Oh, sorry there. That's Mr. Paul the cat that wanted to come over. Sorry, guys. Ah, man, he scared me like hell. Can't see the baby. So this is one of the cleanest pictures I've ever seen. And there we go. This is one of the cleanest pictures I've ever decoded. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Amazing. From the International Space Station. Using just a vertical antenna, mobile vertical. So really cool. Really cool. So I hope you enjoyed. And of course, I'm going to try. It's going to come back in another 90 minutes. So I need to try it again. Because there's a series of pictures. So I want to try to decode the series of pictures. So this is decoding of the International Space Station pictures on 145,800. This one is extremely cool. Hope you enjoy the videos.